I recently posted a video about Operation Raspberry on YouTube. Now, Operation Raspberry is a true story from the Second World War, and it is a masterclass when it comes to the applications of systems thinking. Here are the top 5 lessons that we can learn from Operation Raspberry. The first lesson is to operate on hard data instead of our own preconceived notions. That is what happened during Operation Raspberry. Rather than just assuming that a certain theory is true, the Reds actually went and got hard data to sort of validate or invalidate their theories that they had. So, work on data. Step 2 is simulation. The Reds didn't blindly trust the captain's word for it. They actually ran a simulation to see if what they are saying can actually happen in real life and if everything was making sense together. So run a simulation. There are multiple methods of doing this based on the situation, but I've talked more about this in the full video. So if you want to know more, just go click on the link in the bio. The third lesson is testing. Once you have enough data to come up with a theory and you have simulated it to see, okay, we are moving in the right direction, test it gently once. Once the basic test is done, then you can go and execute. And when you are executing, do it with a feedback. For example, in business, this can be customer reviews, OKR system, talking to your employees, interviewing them. Just constantly keep getting data and keep iterating on your system. Get the data, simulate it, test it, and then execute. If you keep repeating this process, then now you have a dynamic system instead of just a rigid plan. This is what the Reds did during Operation Raspberry, and they did it in a pretty cool manner. So if you want to know more about it, like I said, go and click on the link in bio. Thanks for watching.